Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sell products with Printful. In order to do that, just head over to the product templates right here in order to get the product template that you want to add your Printful. So for example, for this, you just need to edit out the template. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this create product right here. Now in here, you can see some templates that you can choose from. For example, let's head over and then choose in here this home and living. Let's head over and click on that, and you can actually use in here on mugs. So let's choose in here this puzzles, and then from in there you should be able to see in here the actual amount that it actually goes. So just choose which one you want to use, but they also have in here some free products. So let's head over and choose this. Now, once you have clicked on this, you should be able to be redirected to the product designer. Now, click on this upload right here in order to upload the picture that you want to use for this case. Let's click on this upload new file, and then let's try to upload this art right here or this Ferrari depending on your preference. We're gonna open right here, and then from in there they should be able to be uploaded right here. So just wait for this to be uploaded, and once it's been uploaded you can head over and then click on that particular design. Now click on apply. Then as you can see, this will load your design maker. Now you can also scale it down if you want in here as well. So click on scale down, and then it will make your picture just like this. Now you can also try to just transform this and position this if you want to as well, and transform. You can also flip it and rotate it if you want. So for this case, let's rotate this one into a 90 degrees in order to actually look like this one. Now just position this right here, and then make sure that it is bigger. Let's scale this just like this one. And then from in there, just head over and then add this. Now you can also add some more text if you want. You can also upload new things. You can add some clip arts if you want to as well, like alphabets, objects, and all of these things right here. So you can head over and add them right here if you want by just dragging them to this page. And then from in there, just head over and then just move them wherever you want to put them. Now from in there, you can head over and then click on the Save to Templates right here if you want. You can also click on the Save to Collection right here if you want, then choose your collection and save it from in there. Once you have saved it, this should be able to be published on your product and you should be able to sell it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.